All right, today's video is going to cover the use of a query in SQL that you can use to search for column names. This is very useful for new users in a data environment, whether you've just taken a new job, you've gotten a promotion, or you've switched teams and you're now working in a new data environment. This will work in Microsoft SQL Server, I believe 2008 passed, in 2016, I believe, and this query is pretty straightforward. We're just going to hit the sys columns, sys table, or sys columns and sys tables. So basically, there's a statement here in the where clause that you can just enter in whatever. So if I was new to a company and I was working in a let's just say some sort of CRM or customer relation management system, I'm using the AdventureWorks 2016. And at the very top, I'm looking at the AdventureWorks 2016 database. So this query is going to hit every table within that database. So if we just say, give me all columns in this database employee, we run that, we get oh, there's one column in this database in the table purchase order header. So let's say we want to check date. All right, as you would expect, there's a lot of results, 109 in this database, where the column has the word date in it. This is very useful especially when you don't have like an ERD or some sort of entity relation diagram or data model, or I guess whether it's some sort of map that a new user can come in and see how is each table related to each other. This query will allow you to, once you understand the business, if you're searching a certain product, you're searching like, does this data exist in here? You can think of what words would relate to that subject. And let's check email. All right, so we now know there's 4 columns I can go in, and this is kind of how you back into researching into what data exists in a database. So let's do something that's kind of a wild card. Let's check. Well, this isn't a wild card, but let's check product. All right, we got a lot. Let's check mobile. Oh, wrong button. All right, nothing for mobile. So this is the kind of stuff that you would do. You'd come in here and you just enter in something, and then that will take you to your next step by selecting that table and then looking at whatever dependencies, foreign keys, primary keys, are to other tables, and you can start to understand how each table within the database relates to each other, especially when you're trying to build some sort of query, and you need to understand like what joins you need to make. If I'm gonna come in here and let's say I need something based on employee, bad example, let's go back to a product, and you can start to dissect what tables have a column like product, and then what relations there are between each other. That's the hard work. This is a quick video. I'm just trying to show you how you can explore within SQL Server. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. And thanks for watching.